Chenro mag puonj e skunde mag nasari e kaunti ma Bungoma nyalo biro riere kaponi sirikal ma Bungoma kokalo od bura ma kono osiro lwedo paro maliw mosekel gi jolony mondo mi obed chik. Koloso e romo manokelo kanyakla jokanyo e sekta ma somo, apisa mar riwruoge ma ok mag sirikal motenore gi weche mag somo mag nasari John Mukenya olero ni giseloso chenro moyiedhi madhi kedo gachiedh nade mokwako somo mag nasari, kowacho ni pachgino koketie paro molokore chik to nyalo biro bedo maber ne somo ma alworano. Apisa mar migawo ma somo e alworano Christine Owino owacho ni gichiwo neno makare ma somo makamano mondo mi okel ber ne jopuonjre ma alworano.
And we say budget advocacy. A function of counties.
So we have deliberated and looked at the current policy and legal framework and seen that we really need to have a robust policy and legal framework for the department, and also have a look at the act that they are using currently to run education in the county, the ECDE Act of 2015. We have looked at the act and seen that there are some gaps that need to be addressed to be able to address the needs of a 21st century learner. To get education that is holistically designed, an environment that is conducive for learning, teachers that are properly equipped to deliver the curriculum, which is currently CBC.
What as national government would like to emphasize on, that when you're coming up with this policy, the policy must be domesticated from the national one, so that nothing is gotten out of the national policy. As we were perusing through the policy, we realized that there are some gaps, and these gaps are like the resource mobilization that we also need to put into this policy.
The policies and the regulations are rich in content, and I'm sure it is going to assist us in the management of the ECD institutions, especially in terms of formation of boards at ECD level, in terms of resource mobilization, in terms of coordination, in terms of quality control,